Hey guys, so I'm gonna use my EnviroCloth folded twice to give me 8 sides to clean the top of my range hood. So the grease has really accumulated here, as you can see. Now this is when the 8 sides really comes in handy because your cloth is gonna get greasy. I like to use one of my older cloths for this, but if you don't have that novelty, then, you know, any cloth is fine, any EnviroCloth. You just might want to use your microfiber cleaner booster and do a hot soak in that. So there you can see it's getting rid of the grease. So obviously I'm going to want to go over that again. I'm going to use the other side of my cloth. Go over it again. So this is removing the grease. Now I'm going to take another side of my cloth here because I want to use a clean side to get rid of all that grease. I'm just going to do this one section for right now, just to give you guys a demo. Now I would take an EnviroCloth or my stainless steel cloth once this is all done. Sorry, a window cloth or my stainless steel cloth, and I would give it a polish with that. I don't ever use chemical on this. I find that it just makes it even more sticky, and I don't like having the chemicals in my house. So, I mean, the grease is gone. I think I'm catching grease from this other side now. But you just keep getting new sides of your cloth. I'll do one more side till the grease is all gone. So I'm happy with that. Nice and shiny. And then if I took the stainless steel cloth to polish it, we would have no water streaks. There you have it.